Yo, what's up? What's up? So, in today's episode, I want to talk about Forex signal service. Can you make a living from Forex signal service? So, for those of you who are not familiar with Forex signal service, how it works is that you pay a monthly subscription, usually, or quarterly or yearly, whatsoever, and you'll get Forex signals, right? The signal will be in the form of maybe SMS or email alerts or Telegram group channel whatsoever, and they will tell you, where to enter, where to take profit, stop loss, and stuff like that. And that's how Forex signal service works. It's very appealing, right, to a lot of traders, especially new traders, because it kind of take the work off them, right? All they need to do is just follow Forex signals and they can make money. But the thing is, right, can you make a living with Forex signal service? So my straight answer to you is no, and I have a few reasons for it. Number one, most Forex signal service provider, right, they don't tell you the system or the algorithm or the strategy behind it. They just spoon feed you the signals. And the problem with this is that you, at the receiving end, right, you will have no idea, right, how this strategy works. And the thing is that market conditions change. Market moves from an uptrend to a downtrend, range market, low volatility to high volatility, etc. And this is important because if a certain strategy or system is only able to profit, right, in certain market conditions, what happens when market conditions change? Well, that system will go into a drawdown. And now this is where things get tricky, because if you sign up for a Forex signal service, at the back of your mind, you're always wondering, are we in a drawdown or has the trading system stopped working altogether? And you'll never know because it's a black box. You have no idea how the system even makes money to start with. And trust me, right, when you go through a drawdown, you won't have the conviction, right, to take any more trades. Just imagine, right, 6 or 7 losing trades in a row. Will you have the confidence to take the 8 or 9 trade? Unlikely, right? Especially when you don't even know how the system makes money to start with. And that is the first problem, right, you'll face, right, when you are, signing up for a Forex signal service. Number 2, a number of this Forex signal service, right, they design the system, right, in such a way where the backtest results look very good, and that's very beneficial to them because it's very easy to market. Imagine, right, you have a system, right, with an equity curve that just goes up consistently over time from left to right, right. It's just upward sloping. There's no drawdown, and this is systems, right, that is very good to sell the subscription because they can just tell to most traders, hey, look at this backtest results, right? These are the results over the last 6 months of trading. You would have make 1,200 pips whatsoever. And the problem with this is that the backtest results does not take into consideration, right, the future aspect of trading, where there could be an event, right, that cause the system, right, to lose a huge chunk of money. So let me explain, right, how this system works, right, is that they have very large stop loss and very small target profit. For example, you have a 5 pip target profit and a 200 pip stop loss. Clearly, right, your win rate is going to be very high, more than 90%. But the thing is that when you hit your stop loss, right, the 200 pip stop loss, right, is going to wipe out a huge chunk of capital. And for those of you who are subscribing to this Forex signal service, right, you don't have proper risk management, that one trade is enough to wipe out all your gains that you have made prior to it, right? And this is something that I won't say all Forex signal service provider does this, but a number of them adopt this method of, selling their subscription. So you have to be aware. Just because a backtest results look good so far, it does not mean that it will continue to be good in the future, because all you need is that one loss, right? And it's going to ruin, right, the entire equity curve. Okay, so that's reason number 2. And the final thing that I want to share with you is to think about the subscription fee, right, relative to your account size. So let's say you have a $5,000 trading account that you want to, to trade with, and you pay $100 a month in Forex signal service subscription. If you think about this, right, that's about 24% a year. 24% a year that you need to make just to break even on a subscription. So if that signal service makes, 20% a year, guess what? You're still in the red, right? You still lose 4% for the year, because after you take into account, right, the subscription cost, right, which is about 24% a year, even if the service makes you 20% a year, you still lose 4% for the year. And that's still, not taking into consideration the spread, commission, transaction costs whatsoever. So again, this is the third thing that you need to be aware of, and that's why, if you ask me, right, can you make a living, right, from Forex signal service? My answer is no. The first reason is enough, right, to break everything down, right, when you don't have the conviction to take the trades, right, after a few losing trades. So with that said, I hope, it gives you my perspective on things. I hope you've enjoyed today's episode, and I will talk to you soon.